I'm Cindy Cloward with Riley Blake Designs, and in the studio with me today is Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop.
Hi everybody.
And we just got done filming a tutorial on a pillow and a quilt. See this beautiful quilt behind us? And she fell in love with our ironing boards.
Yeah, and I thought all of Cindy's viewers would love to know how to make it. So, and I also thought it's a great ironing board, but it can also be a wonderful pin board for all of Riley Blake's wonderful enamel pins. So how do you make this?
Well, we have them all over our studio and upstairs, and it's really easy because it started with scrap boards. So we didn't even buy the scrap boards. There was new construction around our building. We took the wood. Obviously you can see whatever size we had, we made it work. And all we needed was the board. Can be plywood, anything, just a wood board. And we added canvas to it.
But first you added batting.
Added batting first and then canvas over it, because you need a little pad. So whatever pad you use, just make sure it's a little bit of thickness. And you thought you could use maybe even soft and stable.
Yep, or just really, if you're gonna use it as a pin board, you need probably 2 layers of polyester or 2 layers of soft and stable. But if you're just gonna use it as an ironing board, thin is totally fine.
So you do canvas with the batting underneath, and because it's going to be sliding around, and depending on what kind of table you have, you want the table protected. So we did put this polyester felt on it. And when we did this particular one, we didn't use
We just hot glued it.
We just hot glued it and covered up with our polyester felt. So now that we have this, so depending on whatever size you choose, I would just do about 6 inches around larger than your actual size of the ironing board. And really, it's going to be just this easy. We're going to fold it over. We're going to take this. Let's see how well I can do this. That's pretty good. And it does poke up a little bit. I'm going to do all 4 sides. So
And you can just use the hammer to nail those in.
Yeah.
So it doesn't scratch your table
And this
later.
one's going to be covered up as well. And when you're finished, you could add another of this felt on the very bottom, so none of those staples are showing. So you're just going to pull it really tight. And really, do you want to go down with that? Do you want to try it?
I want to try it.
There you go. It's easier than you think.
Yeah, it is pretty easy.
So there you go. And I probably would add another layer of this so it's protected. And you just repeat that 3 times and look, there you go.
And on this one, they've used it in the film room for quite a few years.
Yes,
so she's
we
got
have.
lots of layers. So it's something that you can just keep using, you know, as the seasons go on and the fashions change. You just add it to whatever you think.
We don't even take the other layer off. We just add it on top of it. So depending what we're filming, what we want the set to look like, we just change out our ironing pad.
Awesome, and I can't wait to get home and make myself one.
So thanks for joining us. For other tips, join us at Riley Blake Designs, and you have a lot of fun videos on your website too.
Yep, if you go to the Fat Quarter Shop YouTube channel and subscribe to our channel, I would love it.
Okay, it's just that easy.